Bam diggity do. Gear wrench ain't gonna help me anyway. Also, one might be asking, why are we doing this right now in the day while we could be combining? The main answer for that is, number one, that welding has to happen. Number two, now is the time while that's happening for these things to take place, because these aren't absolutely necessary. But the other fact of the matter is, bean stems, we're talking 15, 16, 3/8 thick.
Neighbors are going.
The neighbors are yeah, blah, blah, blah. Anyway. Anyway, with the dew, and if there's no wind, these can be very tough. And the pods, like this pod is not open yet. See how it cracks open there? It's not going to crack open, and this is not going to cut very well if it's dewy or if it's damp. Like, literally any moisture. So, usually, on a given day when we're combining soybeans, we're not getting started for till anywhere from 9:30 or 10 to noon. Sometimes, if there's a heavy dew, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. But that hasn't happened this year. I guess yesterday we got started at 12:30, but that was due to other reasons, getting stuff fueled up and greased and whatnot. I don't think Isaac stopped running the combine till... What time did you stop running the combine? 10:30. We covered 62 acres yesterday in basically 10 hours. Not too bad. Yeah, I had to wrench that one off because it's just a tough area to deal with. Guy's back on. Why'd we freeze up here?